Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm going to explain about Midge masks. So yes, this is the leading brand which is Midge mask, and you need to click on the Midge face mask, guys. So guys, in this video, I'll help you know whether Midge mask is a legit product or a scam one. And I would like to inform you that guys, this is not a product. If you have never ordered this product before, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy this product or not? And if you have experienced any fraud over this product, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. Guys, people from United Kingdom are curious to know about this Midge mask, and this is a recently launched mask from Maya Chama's beauty line. These masks are made in France and were launched in December 2020, guys. And apart from that, I would like to inform you that Maya Jama is known for her work on radio and TV. Now, talking about the other information, so you can view the pack size and prices of this Midge face mask. And apart from that, guys, let's talk about the specifications of this Midge mask. But guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this product as a scam or legit product. So guys, this is a biocellulose mask and whose brand is Midge, and it comes in packs of 2 or 4. And apart from that, you can view the prices of this offering. This is 15.99 GBP and 27.99 GBP. And apart from that, here is the description about this Midge mask. You can read for your knowledge and convenience. It is made with ingredients including glycerine and arginine. So these are the ingredients information, guys. And here you can read the information how to use this mask. So this is an amazing thing that you can get more information about this Midge mask. Now guys, talking about pros, so the masks are biocellulose and it restores and renews with arginine, which is an amazing thing. Apart from that, these Midge masks are cruelty free and vegan. Apart from that, you can use them fearlessly, and these are biodegradable masks which are good for environment and atmosphere. Apart from that, this Midge mask helps in rejuvenate and hydrating your skin, guys. So there are various or extraordinary benefits about this Midge mask. And guys, this is not enough to define its legitimacy. All people are wondering about the legitimacy of this product, and it's really very important to define its legitimacy. Talking about the product's leading brand officials domain age website domain age, which was created on 19th of February 2019. So guys, this defines its legitimacy that this is a old leading brand, and yes, we can say that this is a legit brand, but this is not enough. So talking about the social media presence, this leading brand has social media presence on Facebook and Instagram, guys. So you can see the icons of Facebook and Instagram. Now guys, talking about Midge mask reviews, we are not able to find customer reviews on the official website, but yes, we have found positive feedbacks on social media platforms, which is an amazing thing, but we are not find more customer reviews of on this product. So this is a negative sign here. So yes, in the final conclusion, we leave a final decision on you guys. We can say that these masks might work better on your skin, but we can't claim this a purely legit product. So it's totally up to you. If you want to purchase this mask, then you need to explore the entire information before making any online purchase. So guys, I request you all to share your experience with this product because it will give benefit to other customers before making any online purchase and investing their money. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. I'll get back to you with another product review. And guys, this product is a legit product, but we highly recommend you to buy it from legit site and check everything from your site before placing your order. So thanks for giving your precious time, guys. Have a good day.